All right, welcome to another TikTok affiliate marketing case study. Right now, we're gonna analyze how Haley has been able to make $6,600 with just one sale using this program that I use as well. And it's pretty simple. She's using TikTok, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we do it. And before I do that, please like this video and subscribe because I'm going to be sharing more case studies about affiliate marketing, TikTok, and other ways to make money with affiliate marketing and also in general making money online. So let's get to it. Here is the program that she's using, okay? And I'm part of, this is my number one recommended way to make money online. It's a 90% done for you online system that makes regular people between $1,000 to $5,000 plus per day. In this case, Haley was able to make more, right? So as you can see, it's not that hard when you're using and you're promoting high ticket affiliate programs like this one. So for more information, you just can click on the link below and watch the free video, and it's gonna show you more advanced training on how to make money with TikTok, affiliate marketing, and other strategies to make money online. So I'm gonna show you right now what this entails, what this program is about, and then I'm gonna show you how to use TikTok to drive traffic and make money online right here. Okay, so let me show you really quick here. This is what a successful affiliate marketing business looks like. Okay, you need a niche, products, landing page, funnel, emails going to your email list and to your leads every day, ideally multiple times a day or at least a few times a week. And then the traffic, right? And this video we're gonna focus on TikTok. But to be honest, yeah, she's using TikTok. Yes, we do use TikTok, but it's better if you post the same video, the same content also to Instagram and YouTube. Just spend a few extra minutes to post it on different social networks and you're good to go. And this is the system, the 90% done for you system. This is what it looks like. The niche, the products, the landing page, the funnel, the emails is all done for us. So we only have to focus on driving traffic. All this, which is a headache, by the way, and it's expensive, and you have to get software and all that stuff, a lot of time, a lot of headaches, testing, tweaking, spending money to see what works, what doesn't. This is already done for us. Fulfillment when somebody buys a product and they wanna get coached, the system does it for us. There's the coaching and also the emails. They send the emails for us. They set up the emails autoresponder for us. All this is done for us. That's why we're able to drive so much traffic and focus on that and just that and make those huge commissions, right? That's all our focus. Plus on the traffic, we get also training, the best training I've found about driving traffic and using TikTok and other social networks. The best one I found, one-on-one coaching, also 18 coaching calls per week. And then also done for you research. They give us the hashtags, they give us other pages to look for, to model after. The whole research is done for us and is updating on a regular basis. So this is what it looks like. So now, how do we do it? What's some of the strategies that we do? It's pretty simple, okay? We just go to TikTok, for example, and look for keywords related to make money online and this program, right? So let's look for content and videos about making money online. So that's it. Here's endless amounts of videos that you can model after. So the idea is to find successful videos that are going viral and they're popular, and we just model after them. We just watch it really quick and we make our own really quick and post it really quick. So that's why we're able to do volume, post a lot, right? Because it's simple to do. So and it can take only a few seconds or maybe a minute, and that's it. Especially in the beginning, you need to focus on quantity and also quality, of course. So you just see all these successful viral videos and you model after them. If you see something like this is like 5 high-paying online jobs here, 6 million views, it's pretty simple to create, right? You just show your face, you talk a little bit, you show the screen, and that's it. Then this one, side hustle, pays out daily, 612,000 views. I mean, there's endless amounts of content that you can model after. Lululemon pays $1,000 a month to work from home. This is something that you can create really quick, and is getting 3.6 million views for this girl. And also there's other ways that you can create videos without even talking. I recommend you to talk if you can. If you feel brave enough, you're gonna get better results. But look at this girl, for example. She doesn't even talk. She's getting 3 million views in this video and doesn't talk. She just points at the camera and does this, applauds, and that's it. It's a few seconds and she's getting 3 million views. So that's it. You just go through these videos, check it out really quick, model after it, try to make it as similar as possible. And of course, you're gonna add your own touch, but that's it. And then you can even maybe use the same hashtags or add more hashtags in the description, and that's it. End of the story. And now, how do we make the money though? Because it's cool to create videos, post content, and all that stuff, but we need to drive traffic to the landing page, right? So we can make money and sell these huge commissions, like she did, right? $6,600 commission for just one sale. How do we do it? So let me show you an example here. All these people are doing the same thing. Okay, let me show you the page. I don't know. Let's say this one, for example. She has 89,000 followers, and what she does, she has here on her bio a short description about what she does and about herself a little bit. So online wealth, it's about online wealth, digital plus affiliate marketing, start your journey, and she puts the link right here. So this is what we do. We put the link, the affiliate link to this Bridgebase landing page where people opt in and get into our email list. We put it right here on the bio. So when people tap on it and they go there and they register, they watch the video, and they get email follow-ups, at one point, once they join and they buy into the system, we get paid those big commissions. So that's how we do it. You just put your link there, and that's it. And to get better results, just put the link on your Instagram page, a YouTube page as well, and post the same content to those pages as well. With TikTok, you're gonna have to wait until you have 1,000 followers to be able to put the link on the bio. But with Instagram, you can do it right away. You can put the link right there, right away. On YouTube, the same thing. So you can focus on there and drive traffic right away. So TikTok is a great way to find ideas, also to go viral faster. You get more engagement for the most part in general. And that's it. This is it. Like, there's not much more to it. I wish there was more to it, but yeah, for more details and more advanced strategies, I recommend you to watch the free video right below. Just click on the description, on the link in the description, and it's gonna show you how to use TikTok, but not just for this system, but for any other product that you're gonna promote. If you are committed to another product, just check out the free video, and it's gonna help you learn more about this. And I hope to see you in the next video, but please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you like this video. I have tons more content coming up soon. I already have tons of videos and case studies about affiliate marketing and about TikTok, and I'm gonna keep posting more and more. So keep coming back, subscribe, and check out all the other videos as well. Take care.